If we have clients who are sending request forms into Workamajig, then what we're going to do is we're going to see all of those requests in our little bell icon, where everything typically pending your review lives. When I have a project request sent in to me, I'll simply drill into it, open that request, and I can then review any of the information that might have been submitted and any of the specifications that they had provided me with. If there are questions or clarifications needed, I can easily send this back and ask for them, or sometimes I'm just going to call them up and find out the information myself. Had they sent any files along with that request, they would show right in this attachment area so I could review those files. And when it comes time, hopefully I can simply approve this request, and at that portion, Workamajig is going to say, create the project. So when I go to create the project, everything follows forward. All I have to do is really hit save because it already knows who submitted that request. What type of project are we going to do? It'll know what template to use because it already knows what type of project we're going to do. And simply saving will then provide me with a full project setup, a unique project number identifier. All of the specifications from the project request form have already followed forward into this new project. Any files that may have been submitted will also follow forward into this new project. No more cutting and pasting. Everything follows the process all the way into the project, where now we can simply get started. And because of the template selection, the schedule also came into this new project. It's ready for me to make adjustments if there's any needed adjustments to the process or the timeline. And I can hand this off to have someone get it resourced, and we are ready to go.